of you here want to learn the skill that gives you lifetime benefit, tap it down LTB for lifetime benefits. That's one time if you learn that skill will really get the benefit from you lifetime. Okay, that's great. Then how many of you are ready with your book and pen to make notes that how it will going to give you benefit? Type it on me in the chat box. Are you ready with take the notes? Yes, super awesome to see each and everyone. So, hi, my name is Anna Hamulani. So, I'm an artist and coach and a diamond member in CI community. Okay, I thank Ketan sir and CI community for giving me this great opportunity, and also each and everyone for coming here and showing up that you are a best student. So, before going ahead, so what you're going to learn from today's secrets? Okay, so today I'm going to share with you that is the 3 secrets to fast track skill journey. How many of you want to learn that? Type it on me in the chat box. What are the 3 secrets that will really fast track your journey? Awesome. That's great to know that everyone want to learn here. Okay. So before going ahead, is it okay if I share a little bit about my journey? Then type it down yes in the chat box. It was the year 2023 where I completed my 12th standard. I was totally clueless. What is my next step? Where I'm going to go ahead? And what is the thing that I am to complete? Usually, everyone after their 12th standard, they take a degree. But for me, it was not the same story. I was not allowed to go to college. All the decisions, and let me tell you, I'm the first girl in my whole family of generation family to pass out the 12th. And it is really difficult to study ahead. The last choice for me, the left was doing anything by sitting at your home. And fast forward to 2024. Being a clueless artist, don't know the right path, where to go, but having the hope to go ahead and learn and to inspire so many people. And in 2024, I get to know about this amazing and inspiring community. Do you know that community name? Type it down. If you know that community name, type it down. Let me see. Do you know that community name? Yes, exactly. It is a CI community where I found my true voice to express myself and also to inspire others. That's great. There, my journey just began. I can say just started. I started connecting with the people. The girl who was just sitting at home, not connecting with anyone, not having any friend. Everyone had the one to friend. I was having no friends, but started connecting with people all over India, not just in my area, but all over India, and also started inspiring. Also, started doing the public speaking in school, colleges, orphanage, in CI community with skills and lot many more things. So how many of you here also want to inspire with your communication skill? Type it down C for communication skill. That's great. That's great. Awesome. So now the girl dreamed like a normal girl, right? As an artist, dreamed to be an artist, and the girl who was learning from the art mentor, what if that girl is taking the podcast? How would you feel? The person you are inspired and taking the podcast of that same person, how would you feel? Really nervous, what to say, how to say, what not. And same, I was in my situation when I started conducting podcasts with my communication skill. I started connecting and I have done 4 podcasts till now, and with all my inspiration mentors, learning the art from them. And now I'm conducting the podcast with them. Isn't it inspiring? How many of you want to do the same? Tap it down me in the chat box. How many of you want to conduct the podcast with your inspiration mentor? That's great to know. Ruchita, Sai Vaishnavi, Apurva. That's great, great. So I started building the skill known as video editing skill. In this generation, we should have the skill. Where the girl was lost, then I found the part that skill is the thing which you need to build in this today's generation. I started building skill like communication skill, design skill, and third skill that is video editing skill. I slowly started. I was not the perfect one. Let me tell you, you might see my video and you might say, oh my God, wow. But the truth is, when I started, it was not that wow. You might say, oh, is it? Like that, I started my journey, and now I started developing my skill from reels to now video like YouTube videos, and also doing the clients videos for doctors, then surfing, and then also the brands like clothes, and also doing editing the video with the KP brand, that is Ketan Sir's brand. Slowly, I developed this video editing skill and I fast track my growth. So now what is that 3 secret? How many of you want to know what is that 3 secret that I'm going to share today, which really changed my life? Tap it on me in the chat box if you really want to know that secret. Okay, awesome, great. So the 3 secrets that really helped me, the secret number 1, that is turn rejections into superpower. In our this world, from childhood, we have taught that rejection, failure, saying no is totally a wrong thing, negative impact. But the CI community taught me that rejection is the good thing for you. Rejections will always take you one step closer to your goal. And there where I found my true self. Rejection is the redirection for something good and great. And second point, what I learn is every rejection is one step closer to my goal. Every rejection will come you and teach you something. So in video editing skill, I completed almost 12 projects. Some projects was really easy, but some taught me something that I was not really ready for. And that rejection will come with so many of challenges. To build a skill, you should be having that power and I can say courage to learn that skill, having the loving. Don't learn the skill as I have to do it or I want to do it. Do that I love to do that skill. Then that skill journey is going to be magical for you all. The second secret is the hidden skill that's create all skill. Okay, even if you want to build so many skill, then this is the skill that you need to build. And what is that? Skill of building new skill. I know it is a little bit confusing, but this is the secret to build any skill. The skill of building new skill is the most powerful thing that you should learn so that your journey is going to be so much easy in building new skills. Okay, so great. So hope you all are making notes. If you're making notes, then type it down yes in the chat box. Awesome, great. Now, third secret. Fall in love with the process, not just results. Many of us, when we start our journey, we just run behind the results. Oh my God, if I complete this, I will get this, I will get that. Don't go behind that. Just fall in love that I really want to do it. I want to explore. Don't just focus on the projects which are just to given. Explore, do the fascinating projects. What you have not done before, you do it. So that will really help you to fast track your journey. When you enjoy the process, consistency becomes easy. Everyone says that consistency is really hard thing for me. But let me tell you, when you love something, it is really easy to do it every day. If you love video editing, you will really love doing everyday video editing and you will be consistent there. Great, great, great. So are you ready to learn the bonus secret? I promise you to give 3 secrets, but here is the bonus. Do you want bonus? Then type it on B in the chat box. Do you want bonus? Yes. The bonus secret, which fast track my journey within just 6 months, that is CI Power Team. CI Power Team is where I got the different kind of direction, clarity, and that really fast track my goal, my journey. So what is fast track my growth? So do you want to see how it really fast track my journey? If yes, then type it on yes in the chat box. Yes. That's great. So CI Power Team teach me one skill. That is skill of building new skill that I mentioned. With that skill, I was able to help my mom to launch her jewelry business with independently on e-commerce platform. So isn't this amazing? I have not learned this skill, but I launched it because I was having the power and also the courage to solve all the challenges, all the problems. It was not easy. Let me tell you, it was not easy. I got lot more rejections. Universe test me in all the format. Stop me, something not working, image not uploading, it's not working, and lot many more things. But I made it happen because I was loving that process. If I could not love the process, I could not even succeed or find a solution for it. Always remember, whenever you are building any skill, challenges are going to come, but your mind should always find the solution, not the challenges. Always focus on solution, not on the challenges. What is there? Ready for challenges and how to handle the challenges. We all have this question, right? Have you have this question that if challenges come, how to handle it? If yes, then type it on yes in the chat box. If you have this question that, are challenge is coming, how to handle it? Simple way to handle all the challenges or rejection is give a big smile and say thank you for that challenge. Say me why, ask me why in the chat box, ask me why. Give a big smile to that rejection, give a big smile to that challenges and say thank you. Because the challenges and rejection has came to teach you something. And your teacher, you will say always thank you, right? So that is the biggest secret to go ahead, not just skill, but in your life. Any rejection come, take a big smile and say thank you. That will really teach you something important lesson. And one good news I want to share with you all. That is, in being just in a 6 month in journey in CI Power team, I was able to generate 50K revenue within just 6 months. And that's the power when you are with the mentor. So, how many of you want to learn the skills that give you lifetime benefit? Type it on LTB in the chat box. You're just building the skill one time, doing all the 20 projects just one time. But after completing that 20 projects, your journey doesn't stop at all. You need to continuously do the fascinating projects and learn something new per week. That's great. So, the lesson from my journey is learn from someone who has done it before. So, you don't need to struggle a lot. You just need to go with the right path, and all the guesswork is already skipped for you because you're learning from someone who is already done that journey, and the challenges of that person will teach you so many things, and you will get another challenges. So are you all ready to take the challenges in your life from all the ways? And type it down yes in the chat box and say thank you to your rejections. Don't take in like, oh my god, rejection came, now what? Say thank you, rejections came, now how to find the solution. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for interacting with me, and that's my journey of the video editing skill champion. Thank you so much.